Ah, the beautiful city of Muscat, the capital of the Sultanate of Oman. It wouldn't be right to visit this beautiful city without taking the time to visit the headquarters of one of my top fragrance brands, Amouage. So sit back, relax, and let me educate you on the beautiful heritage and history behind the brand Amouage. This brand has taken a lot of time and effort into preserving the beauty of their grounds. I must say, the grounds really embody the rich culture and heritage of Omani architecture. This room is the main exhibit of the factory tour. In this middle table here, you have some of the raw materials used by Amouage. And in these glass cabinets, you have the original bottles and also a brief history and timeline of the brand from when it was first incepted in 1983 until modern days. This is truly synonymous with Omani and Arab culture. So as you may have noticed, Amouage bottles for men and for women are different. As our lovely guide Majida explained, the men's bottles is based off the Khanjar sword, which is traditional to Oman,
and the women's bottles are based off the Sultan Qaboos Grand Mosque.
The brand was officially established in 1983, but from the year 1988 onwards, it was now available for public consumption, meaning you did not have to be a guest of the royal family to have access to the beautiful perfumes of Amouage from this moment onwards. Also, wait, in English, Arabic, it's Amouage. Yeah, so like because Muscat is next to the sea, is connection, or is it yellow? So not all Amouage perfumes are available in the Khanjar and Mosque Dome bottles. Some perfumes were available in these style bottles shown here on the screen. So this raw material you are looking at here is frankincense, aka olibano. And my favorite fragrant note, rose. Did you know that the rose that are used in Amouage scents are from Jabal Akhdar, which is a mountain range in Oman?
3 weeks to 4 weeks maximum. It's a short, very short season.
Oh, okay, yes. Oh, perfect.
Between April and May.
April and May. And you guys use this within your, most of the perfumes? Or
yes, most of the perfumes, yes, we are using the locals here.
Now, Amouage is known for amber or ambergris as a very prominent note in a lot of their fragrances. But do you know where amber actually originates from, or ambergris? So, ambergris comes from the intestines of whales. So, essentially, whale vomits. As it ages and gets exposed to environmental components, it becomes the sweet-smelling amber that we know of. As a gift to Sultan Qaboos on his birthday in 2008, Amouage handcrafted these crystal bottles to give to him as a gift. With the craftsmanship, manufacturing and formulation of the perfume, the grand total of the production of this, which I presume was limited edition, was $150,000. So here we are just appreciating and conversing about the beauty and design that went behind the Interlude collection. I must say, the shade of blue, the royal blue used in the bottles for Interlude are unique and next to nothing. This is just a sneak peek of the expensive Attar oil collection. Each one of these is £400, by the way. Yes, those tiny bottles, but they are incredibly concentrated perfume oils that are very, very strong. Now off we go to the distillery, where the real magic happens. So these are the first distillation machines that Amouage used to use back in the day. These are made from copper. So every drum that you see here is a different fragrance. Then they are left inside these drums where they are aged between 6 to 24 weeks depending on how much the fragrance needs. So here is the factory floor with the staff hard at work, and this machine right here in front of us is the filling machine. Some bottles are being filled right now, and those are the boxes that will contain them. So after the perfumes have been filled, quality control will check a batch of the perfumes to see if they match, and then we have the perfumes, then they will go on to the packaging area over there on the left. factory, let's see what goodies they have on offer at the gift shop. So just a few observations. Obviously Amouage is cheaper in Oman, but not as much as I expected. Guys, that was the new collection, the Essences collection. I'll be doing an unboxing and haul of this very soon. So everything was around £50 cheaper than what it was in the UK. So for example, if guidance is normally £320 in London, then in the Amouage gift shop and in Muscat in general, it would be around £250 to £270. So my guy did tell me that there was a really nice gift set that they have on offer, but unfortunately it was sold out. So I just settled for the Love Delights collection sample set, as I am falling in love with that collection, but I haven't really had the time to explore it properly. So I was actually in Oman when it was announced that they were launching the new collection, which is the Essences collection. But unfortunately, when I visited the gift shop of the Amouage factory, they had just sold out. So I actually bought mine from the Amouage store in Muscat. Yes. Guys, please, if you're a fragrance lover like me and you happen to be in the country of Oman, I really, really recommend visiting this factory. It's so educational and so informative. It really, really made my experience much better, and it's just something that I will treasure forever.
Just a quick snippet of the Amouage store in Mall of Oman. I just absolutely loved the interior of the store. It had that spheric aesthetic that is present in the brand new Amouage.